Okay, do you like to use mobile apps?
Well, yes, I like to use mobile apps. I love to use Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook.
Okay, now talk about them one by one. First of all, I love to use Instagram to socialize with my friends. Secondly, I also use WhatsApp for personalized messages. And finally, this is called signposting. So
Okay.
don't talk about all the things Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, right? Okay, let's go on. Uh, what is your favorite app?
Well, my favorite app is Instagram. I love to use Instagram because there is too much privacy. Nobody can look at your account
Okay,
without your
permission.
permission. So that's why I prefer to use Instagram.
All right, this is good. Just try to speak fluently, not word by word, and you're thinking too much, right? और आप मुझे घूर के भी देख रही हैं कि मैं कोई गुनाह कर रहा हूँ. Okay, all right. Let's go on. Last question. Do you think apps waste our time?
Well, yes, apps. Actually, mobile is the wastage of time.
Exactly. That's why you break your
The-
mobile. Throw it in the canal. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
The
come on, come on.
भूल गई.
भूल गया है. All right, don't worry. So, the first thing is live in the moment. Live in the moment means now you're having your speaking test, just think about it. And second, whenever a question is asked, give a direct answer and then go on so that the question is fresh in your mind. Those students who start their answer with because, after 2-3 sentences, they forget the question. Right? So never start your answer with because, always start your answer reverting the question statement from interrogative to positive. In that case, you will remember the question. Because when you repeat the question, you will remember that. And if you started with because, then you will forget the question. Okay? Thank you so much. थोड़ी मेहनत करें इस पे, ठीक है?